Hello, welcome to Click to Cloud. Today in this video, I am going to demonstrate about block storage management using CloudsBrain. Block storage, sometimes referred to as block-level storage, is a technology that is used to store data files on storage area networks or cloud-based storage environments. CloudsBrain block storage breaks up data into blocks and then stores those blocks as separate pieces, each with a unique identifier. CloudsBrain block storage module allow user to connect with its on-premise devices and to manage all resources. User can provide volumes to hosts available and application deployed on Kubernetes cluster. Now, go to the CloudsBrain URL and enter the login credentials. After successful login, go to Storage menu. Click on Block Storage sub-menu. In block storage management, CloudsBrain provide 4 functionalities: register, manage, host, and app deployment. In register, user can register a device. In manage, it will show the registered devices and user can perform volume and snapshot-related operations on registered device. In host, user can connect to host. User can attach volume to host and can detach volume from host. In app deployment, user can connect Kubernetes clusters and deploy services on connected Kubernetes cluster using YAML file. Now, click on Register. Select Device Cloud Vendor. Here, I am selecting Ceph. Provide name to it. Click on Next button. Connection details form appear. Enter FSID. Monitor initial member, public network, cluster network, and client keyring. Click Next button. Pool details form appear. Enter pool name. Availability zone. Select provisioning policy. Select compression. Select deduplication. Select access protocol. Select disk type. Click on Submit button. This will register the device. It will redirect to Manage page, where it will show the registered device. In Management page, on the registered device card at upper left hand side, it will show volume count, at upper right hand it will show snapshot count. At bottom left it will show the created register device symbol, and the right bottom shows status. Click on it. It will list out the telemetry of device. It will also display its name, storage name, progress bar, and detail information of storage telemetry. User can also create volume for selected device. Click on plus icon. Provide volume name. Provide volume size. As soon as you provide volume size, it will change color in progress bar. Click on Add button. Volume created successfully. At right hand side, it will display the created volume. Here, blue color defines the availability of volume, gray color defines attachment of volume, and red color shows the issue arise during volume creation. You can also delete volume by simply selecting volume and click on delete icon. Also, you can resize the volume by increase the volume size. Now, we will create snapshot. Click on Snapshot. Snapshot is nothing but a copy of volume. Click on Create Snapshot. Select Type. Select Volume Name. Enter Name. Click on Create Snapshot button. Snapshot created successfully. It will show the details of created snapshot of device like Ceph. Its device name, volume name, and snapshot name and date time of each snapshot. Now, click on Host. Click on Create Host. Provide host name. Select OS type. Provide IP address. Give initiators. And select protocol. Click on Save button. Host created successfully. With host, user can perform 3 functionalities: attachment, detachment, and delete. Click on Attach. Select Device. Select Volume Name. Click on Attach button. Go to Manage. Select created storage device for which you perform attach operation. After entering into that device, it will show the attach volume in volume list. To detach the volume, click on Detach tab. User can also delete the volume by simple click on Delete tab. Now, click on App Deployment. Click on Add Kubernetes Cluster. A form of Add Cluster appear where you can perform Create from Text Input or Create from File functionality. Click on Create from Text Input. Enter cluster name. Enter JSON, YAML content. For this, copy and paste JSON content from config file. Click on Add button. Now, click on Create from File. Enter cluster name. Browse file. It will only browse config file. Browsing file automatically takes JSON content. Click on Add button. Kubernetes cluster added successfully. You can install CSI, remove CSI, deployment, review status, and delete. These are cluster functionalities. Click on Install CSI. CSI is a container storage interface plugin. It will show CSI installation. User can also remove CSI by click on it. Select App Deployment. A form of deploy application appear. Here also 2 categories fall. Create from text input. Create from file. I will select Create from file. Browse file. Here requires YAML file. Click on Apply button. Application deploy successfully. Click on Host. It will show master and slave deployment host. Click on Manage. It will show automatically added volume after deployment. Select Remove to remove app deployment. A Remove application form appears. Here also two categories fall. Create from text input. Create from file. I will select Create from file. Browse file. And click on Remove button. Also, you can check the pod status by selecting Status tab. It will show running, pending status. It also shows create time. Also, you can delete the cluster by selecting Delete tab. For more video updates on CloudsBrain, stay tuned with click2cloud.com. Thank you.